Yes, sir.
Okay. એટલે આમાં શું ખબર છે તમે કોઈ નાખો ને તો તમારો સિમ્બોલ સિલેક્ટ કરો ઓકે એવું કરશે કેમ ખબર પડે સામેવાળા કે દેખાડ ડિસ્પ્લે કરવું એવું હશે હા એટલે પ્રોજેક્ટરમાં ડિસ્પ્લે કરી છે. Okay, so let's start with the new export project. I hope my screen is also visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the addition program is remaining, right? In iOS. Yes or no? Where we can do the addition of two numbers and we can display on a label the result which is remaining, right? So that I can start with that. Give some response so that I can start accordingly. Yes, anyone? आवाज नहीं आ रहा आपका सही से.
Yes, sir, it is remaining.
Okay, okay. So I'm taking a new project from here. Create new export project. Taking the single view app. Click on the next. Then you need to give your iOS application name. So I'm giving here the name as Tom app 2020-22. So that is what the application name I'm giving. The organization name I have just given the Apple 23, which is the computer ID of the Mac PC. You can, if you want to change, you can also change, and the organization identifier also you can change. The language which you need to select is Swift. There is two options are available, that is Objective C and Swift. Which we need to select is the Swift. And the next is user interface. So for user interface, you need to select the storyboard. So there is one more option is available, that is Swift UI. But right now we are learning about storyboard. The Swift UI is the new version, but we not everybody is migrated to Swift UI till now. So that's why we are learning the storyboard for now. So language should be Swift and the user interface should be storyboard. And no need to check any of the checkbox for now because we are not using any core data, or we are not doing any, or we are not performing any testing. So click on the next. And from the desktop, I have a folder in a desktop. So I'm going into desktop and the folder name, which is JBIOS. So I'm creating the folder inside that folder because I want to create this application inside that folder. So that's why I'm selecting this folder, that is JBIOS on a desktop. So wherever you want to select or wherever you want to create your application, you just need to select the location here. Click on the create. It will take a while to open the project. Let's wait. So as you can see here, there is again the basic introduction is already covered by Real Man. So can anybody tell me that in which file we need to write the code from this all file? Anybody? तो बताएगा कि कौन सी फाइल से हम लोग बैकएंड कोड लिखेंगे, कौन सी फाइल के अंदर लिखना होगा। जैसे हम लोग एंड्रॉइड में लिखते थे मेन एक्टिविटी डॉट जावा के अंदर, यहाँ पे कौन सी फाइल में लिखेंगे?
View controller.
Yeah, that's the correct answer. And what about the design? कहाँ पे डिजाइन करेंगे? So that will be the design. For design, you have to go into this file, that is main.storyboard. Okay, so main.storyboard is your UI file where you can design your screen, or we can say view controller here. In Android, we call it activity, but here in iOS, we will call it as a view controller. So let me go to in a main.storyboard and let's design our practical, in which we need to add to edit text, or we can say text field. We need to add one button and we need to add one label as well. So we will take two input in a text field. Whenever we click on the sum button, what we want a result in a label. So that is what we need to do. So how to add the buttons and every other or other control is by just clicking on this plus button. So you can find here on the top corner, you can find here the object library button, that is plus. You just need to click on this button and then you will find the different controls. So I'm selecting the text field for now. Just drag and drop the text field. Then I need one more text field. So again, I'm clicking on that object library button, that is plus button. Then I need the button, and I will need a label. Okay, so just like a hint property, we have a placeholder for property here. जैसे एंड्रॉइड में हिंट प्रॉपर्टी थी, वैसे ही यहाँ पे प्लेस होल्डर है. So if you want, you can give here the hint, that is enter number 1, enter number 2, and this will be sum. So here on the right hand side, you can see the different properties. So whichever property you want to change, you can change it, like background color, text color, background, image. बहुत सारी properties है, alignment के लिए है, ठीक है. So right now I'm just changing this button label. So for this button label, I'm giving as sum because I want to do the addition. So that's why. And this will be our result. So here I'm giving the result. Okay, so that's done. So let me make it bigger. Okay, let's run this design and check whether it's working fine or not in our simulator. So I have a simulator, that is iPhone 11 Pro Max. Let's wait, because that's as it is opening this simulator. So our app is launching, still it is opening, so you can see here the screen. It will take time as it is the first time it is loading, so that's why. So simulator is open. Now let's wait to launch our application inside that simulator. This will be our splash screen as it is a blank right now. So you can see the blank splash screen. If you want to change, then you can change it by going into the file that is, you can see here, launch screen dot storyboard. That is your splash screen. Let's wait. Okay, so as you can see here, so design is fine. Let's enter some number here. For now we have not, I know we have not done anything to check, just only that what we can write. Okay, so it's fine, we can enter the data. Okay, so let's stop now. Okay, so now the designing is fine, we need to do the coding. Okay, so before going for the coding, we need to connect. Okay, so first we need to connect all the component in our design, in our code. So how you can do it, let me show you that as well. Let me remove this and let me make it bigger. Okay, so here on the right hand side, you can see here there is some lines are there. It is nothing but editor option. This area is called editor. Okay, this area is all, it's called navigation panel. Okay, this is your view hierarchy. This is status bar. So here in the editor area, you can find here the editor option. Once you click on the editor option, the third option you will find, that is assistant. So once you click on the assistant, you will find your view controller dot swift file. ठीक है, अगर आप देखना चाहो तो भी देख सकते हो. व्यू कंट्रोलर पर अगर आप क्लिक करोगे, देन यू विल फाइंड द डिफॉल्ट कोड. ठीक है, लेट्स वेट, it's loading. So you can see here, this is what the by default code available in your view controller.swift file. So this is your framework, this is your class, this is super class, this is what the method which will be called first whenever you run your application. And as it is, this function is already available, we are overriding it, and we are also calling the super class function, which is view did load. Now let's go to in a main.storyboard. Let's connect all the component first. So in case if it is not visible, you just right click here and you can change, or you can just zoom it properly so that you can see it. Let me make this thing so that I can get a more area. Okay, let's make it 50. So now is here, it is fine. I cannot scroll right and left, but yes, that's visible. Okay, so let me go to in a zoom 50. Okay, so as you can see here on the left hand side, you can see your main.storyboard, and on a right hand side, you can see your view controller.swift file. Okay, so this will be your backend code, this will be your front end design. So if you want to link any control, what you need to do, either you can do the same thing from this view hierarchy, or either you can just control and click and drag it on right hand side on the screen, or we can say on a backend file, then it also work. So both will work. मतलब यहाँ से भी करोगे तो भी चलेगा, और यहाँ से करोगे तो भी चलेगा. Means from view hierarchy also you can do, and from the main.storyboard also you can connect the each and every component inside your backend file or your Swift file. So let's connect the first component. So what I'm doing, so let me give some more space so that I can add. You have expert talk right now? Yes.
Yes, sir.
आपका expert talk?
Yes.
Okay. So you have to join that expert talk. Anyways, fine. So we will cover this things in a next lab, or ma'am will cover, or sir will cover. Anyways, fine. So let me stop presenting. So now you need to join the expert talk for now. Okay, Priyal ma'am will take attendance.
Okay, students, you may leave the meeting.